because my topic is about saving information. So some of my speech is crucial. So I'm gonna ask you, who's the youngest in this class, or what's on your age? First, or the 17 years old in here. About 16. Is there anyone whose age are 21 or 20? So, first, I'm gonna ask, do you guys sometimes take your, where do you sometimes take your fight? Do you, do you guys take sometimes in March or flash drive? When, every, so saving, we all know, we all know that saving information are very important and very essential to our life. But keeping information about our families, our friends, even our own pets, we have those kind of information. Sometimes we store them in every device. But not all saving information is about can be placed in storage devices. Some of those information can be stored in cloud or something else. But there are some information that we sometimes use, like information about our subjects, our list, or other things. Sometimes some of those information are stored in internet, uh, other stuff. So because of those information that we want to save in our storage device, we can recall it and review every details about any information that we want to know. But not all information that we storing is that, that we that we use. There's some information that can be used as an blackmail or some un, unnice stuff. Like you, like, if you want to blackmail someone by using his or her information, you must know the consequence that what you're gonna do. It will gonna affect you or the other person around you. But not information are can be used as blackmail. There are some information that can be used even now that can help in our studies. And there there are also some ways that saving that there are saving information that's been used in ancient times that putting there in cave walls or some some mountain walls. That was in ancient times. So the way I'm pointing out is that saving information is very important in our daily life, and we can use every now and then those information so that we can do what we ever can do to make our